Now 27 storm track weather with meteorologist John Zeigler.
All right, well, here we go. We are under the winter weather advisory as of now. That's going to last all the way until around 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Not all counties, though. You get the idea that where the heaviest snow is going to be is mainly west of Dane and south of the Camp Douglas-Mauston area. Our eastern and northern communities, including parts of Columbia County, are not under the winter weather advisory. There we're going to be expecting more of an inch of snow or less. I'm not picking up a whole lot of flakes. We've seen a couple of reports of some snow, but it's very, very light right now. 31 out there. It's still fairly mild, but it's cold enough aloft to where the ground temperature doesn't matter that much. It's going to be snow, not freezing rain, so that's really good news. Temperatures, like I said, really close to freezing. Where it is snowing, it's maybe a little bit cooler. We're seeing temperatures around 28 degrees. We call that evaporational cooling. What that is a lot of this snow wasn't actually hitting the ground an hour ago. We were not getting reports, but what it does is cools the ground temperature, and then eventually the snow wins out, and now we're starting to see some flurries in Monroe over to Prairie du Chien. This isn't the heavy band. The heavy band is here in southern Minnesota. South of Minneapolis, this is the accumulating snow, so if you track that out, it's going to go through La Crosse and then into our neck of the woods at around 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. So hunters, this is going to be for you. It's going to be heaviest when you're waking up, getting up to your stands. So it's a quick mover. It's on the north side of this low. It's really a clipper system, and you see the heaviest snow at around 3 o'clock, and then it's out of here by 10 o'clock. We're going to take a closer look at that in a second. But Canada's going to punish us behind this. High pressure, very cold air. For this time of the year, about 15 to 20 degrees below average cold air. So thanks a lot, Canada, for that. It's going to be a couple of cold days here. This model does a great job, and this just updated 1 hour ago. So I really am buying into this HER model. It does a great job. Now, the greens are going to be the heavier snow. If you're in the blues, this is going to be more flurry activity. So at midnight it starts for everyone. Watch the green blob. Notice from Lone Rock south. So Lone Rock, Madison, we're on the edge. If you live in Iowa County, you live in Lafayette County, and you live in Grant County, this is a very high likelihood you're going to see over 2 inches. This is at 3 o'clock in the morning. Now we'll continue to 5 o'clock. Notice it's weakening. So the system is actually weakening. But at 5, Monroe and Janesville see the heavy snow, and once again, Madison's right on the edge. By the time we go to 7:30, it tapers off to flurries, and then it's out of here by 9 o'clock. I love this model, at least this forecast. It does a great job of just letting you know percentages, because really that's all we're doing every day is gambling, right? I mean, seriously. But this is the odds of picking up an inch of snow. Plus, it gives you a nice bullseye. A 95% chance for an inch of snow in Platteville. That's a pretty good chance. I'd expect enough snow to cover the ground. Madison, about 75. Our northern zones like Columbia County, only 50-50. And places like Jefferson County and up towards Dodge County, about a 50% chance. So those are the spots where I'm not really expecting an inch of snow. Here's our forecast: 1 to 2 inches through Dane County, an inch or less north of the Dells. And then we're seeing that bullseye, 2 to 4 inches, I would say, from Janesville, Beloit, over to Platteville and up towards about halfway through Crawford County. Temperatures tomorrow morning for everybody hunting, 30 degrees. That's going to be great. So here's the hunting opener forecast. Snow in the morning, 29, 29 by 9, flurries, and then just cold in the afternoon. And look at the temperatures. They really don't move all day long. High tomorrow, 33 degrees. Morning snow showers, and then just cold for the next couple of days. I mean, for this time of the year, that is seriously bitter cold. I mean, it's not bitter cold, but you know what I'm saying. The good news is Wednesday and Thursday, 40s and dry.